Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with the part 2, that is exercise 3 of time. Convert into months. And before starting with that, I'll tell you I have taken different questions for the explanation. It will be different from what you will be getting in the PDF. Okay, it is only for the explanation. You have to solve the different sums. One sum of each category I have taken so that you understand it well. And even if you don't understand it, you watch it over and over again. But still, if you find any difficulty, you can contact me. And I hope you people have understood the previous exercise, that is exercise number 2. So now we have convert into months. 7 years, 6 months into months. Years and months, what is the relationship of 1 year and a month? You all should know, it is very simple, that is 12 months. See, but children, the procedure remains the same, that is bigger to smaller multiply, smaller to bigger divide. Okay, so now we are going to multiply 7 by 12. So tell me the answer. 7 12s are अब हमारा months निकल गया. Now this is month and 6 month is already given to you. So what are we going to do? We are going to plus. So 84 plus 6 is 90 months. जैसे आपने बाकी कन्वर्जन किए बिल्कुल सेम ऐसे ही है. एंड प्लीज चिल्ड्रन लर्न द टेबल्स. ओके. And now the second question, we have convert into days. We are given weeks and days. The relationship of 1 week and day is कितने होते हैं? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 days. Very good. So week is a bigger unit, days is a smaller unit. So week को day में करने के लिए bigger to smaller we are going to multiply. So this gives you 63 days. Now this is 63 days. And this 3 days is already given, so you are going to plus. Understood? I hope the first two sums are clear. Now the third sum is convert into years. That is months को years में करना है, smaller to bigger we are going to divide. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. इसके लिए आपको 12 का टेबल चाहिए. So 242 divided by 12. Okay, I'll do it here. So 12 2s are 24. So carry करने के बाद अगर कोई नंबर रिमाइंडर बचता है then you are going to put the 0. Okay, so this becomes 20 and 2 is left. So जो ऊपर question है that is going to be the bigger unit, that is 20 years and 2 months. So now the fourth question is convert into weeks. Days को weeks में करना है, days smaller unit है, weeks bigger unit. So 1 week 7 days. To convert weeks into days, we are going to divide. So 96 divided by 7. You can do it in the fair. Okay, छोटी छोटी calculation है, आप इसको fair में करो. So our division is done. So ये 13 weeks and 5 days. So our answer is 13 weeks and 5 days. Got it? So I hope you people have understood. Please do the practice in your winter vacation. Thank you. Have a nice day.